Hash, how to create a security group in Microsoft Entra ID step-by-step guide. In this lab, you'll learn how to create a security group in Microsoft Entra ID, formerly Azure AD. Security groups are essential for managing access to shared resources like files and applications. Here's how you can create and configure one. Step 1. Access the Groups section in Microsoft Entra Admin Center. 1. Navigate to Identity Management. Log in to the Microsoft Entra Admin Center. Expand the Identity dropdown to view identity-related resources. 2. Open All Groups. Click Groups and then All Groups to see and manage all existing groups. Step 2. Create a new security group. 1. Start group creation. Click New Group to begin creating a new group. 2. Specify group type. From the Group Type dropdown, select Security. Security groups are designed for managing access to resources like applications and files. 3. Name the group. In the Group Name field, type Human Resources to reflect the department this group is for. Step 3. Set membership type. 1. Choose membership type. Click the membership type dropdown and select Assigned. This allows you to manually assign members to the group. Step 4. Assign an owner. 1. Select Group Owner. Click No Owner Selected. Search for Chris Green in the directory and select him. Click Select to confirm Chris as the group owner. Step 5. Add group members. 1. Add members to the group. Click No Members Selected. Search for Mike Mitchell in the directory. Select Mike from the results and click Select to add him to the group. Step 6. Finalize and verify the group. 1. Create the group. Click Create to finalize the creation of the security group. 2. Refresh and verify. Refresh the page to ensure the Human Resources group appears in the list. Click on the group name to review the configuration. 3. Check members and owners. Navigate to the Members tab to verify that Mike Mitchell is listed as a member. Go to the Owners tab to confirm Chris Green is assigned as the owner. 4. Complete the process. Click the Overview tab to wrap up the lab. Final outcome. After completing these steps, the Human Resources Security Group will be successfully created with Chris Green as the group owner, Mike Mitchell as a group member, assigned access to resources based on group permissions. This setup ensures secure and efficient resource management for the Human Resources Department.